Your check engine light is on, you scan the car, and the code P0455 shows up. Before you replace parts or assume the worst, stop and understand what this code really means. P0455 means the engine computer has detected a large leak in the evaporative emission control system, commonly known as the Evap system. In simple terms, the system is unable to hold pressure or vacuum at all. This usually indicates a significant leak rather than a small or slow one. To understand why a P0455 code appears, it helps to understand how the Evap system works. Fuel vapors naturally form inside the fuel tank. Instead of allowing these vapors to escape into the atmosphere, the Evap system captures them and stores them in a charcoal canister. When driving conditions are correct, the engine computer opens the purge valve and allows those vapors to be drawn into the engine and burned. The engine computer regularly tests the Evap system for leaks. During these self-tests, it seals the system and checks whether it can hold pressure or vacuum. If the system cannot hold pressure at all, the computer interprets this as a large leak and triggers the P0455 code. One of the most common mistakes people make when they see a P0455 code is assuming that a major and expensive repair is required. In reality, many large Evap leaks are caused by simple and inexpensive issues. The gas cap is the most common cause of a P0455 code. A missing gas cap, a cap that is not tightened properly, or a damaged gas cap seal can all prevent the Evap system from sealing. Even something as simple as refueling and not tightening the cap until it clicks can trigger this code. Evap hoses are another very common source of large leaks. These hoses carry fuel vapors between the fuel tank, charcoal canister, purge valve, and vent valve. Over time, hoses can crack, split, collapse, or become completely disconnected. If a hose is broken or missing, the Evap system cannot hold pressure. The vent valve plays a critical role in Evap system operation. During Evap testing, the vent valve must close to seal the system. If the vent valve is stuck open, clogged with dirt, or electrically faulty, the system will behave as if there is a large leak. The purge valve can also cause problems. If the purge valve is stuck open, it allows air to continuously enter the Evap system. This prevents the system from building pressure or vacuum and can result in a P0455 code. Electrical issues should not be overlooked. Damaged wiring, poor electrical connections, or failed solenoids can prevent Evap valves from operating correctly. Even if all hoses appear intact, an electrical fault alone can cause the system to fail its leak test. Before replacing any parts, proper diagnosis is critical. Start with the simplest checks. Inspect the gas cap and make sure it is the correct type and properly tightened. Look for cracks, damage, or a hardened seal that may no longer seal properly. Next, perform a careful visual inspection of Evap hoses. Check for disconnected, cracked, or broken hoses, especially near the fuel tank and charcoal canister. Large leaks are often visible if you take the time to look closely. Scanning the vehicle for additional Evap-related trouble codes can provide valuable clues. Codes related to purge flow, vent control, or system pressure can help narrow down the problem. P0455 often appears alongside other Evap system codes. Live data from a scan tool can also be useful. Monitor purge valve and vent valve commands. If the engine computer commands a valve to close and the system does not respond, further testing is required. Smoke testing is one of the most effective methods for diagnosing large Evap leaks. By introducing smoke into the system, major leaks become easy to spot. This is a common professional diagnostic method, but obvious leaks can often be found visually first. Symptoms of a P0455 code are usually minimal. Most vehicles drive normally with this code. However, you may notice a fuel smell, difficulty filling the gas tank, or repeated check engine lights. Because the Evap system does not directly affect engine power, many drivers ignore a P0455 code. However, unresolved Evap problems can lead to failed emissions tests and ongoing warning lights. After repairs are completed, clear the code and allow the vehicle to complete its Evap self-tests. This may require several drive cycles. If the code does not return, the repair was successful. In many cases, fixing a loose or damaged gas cap, reconnecting an Evap hose, or repairing a valve or wiring issue will clear the P0455 code. Replacing parts without testing often creates more problems than it solves. Always diagnose first, understand the system, and fix the root cause. Taking the time to test properly saves money and prevents unnecessary repairs.